Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to record day 9. Today I have a picture of my daughter. The reason she's dressed like that is because she had just come back from dance. And this picture is a story about me purchasing a small little tree for her to decorate. And I decided I'm going to do a 6x8 layout. I have my Felicity Jane Noel kit that I haven't used to its fullest. So I went ahead and typed up my journaling here. I cut this cardstock down to 6x8 and I wrote my journaling, and this is what it says. This little girl has my heart. Who would have thought that I would end up with a little girl? A girly girl, tomboy. She can keep up with the boys as well as loving makeup, nail polish, and fashion. The connection I have with this girl is so special. In my dreams, I wouldn't have even hoped for a girl who has the same loves as me. She loves helping me decorate the house, scrapbook, craft, cook, and whatever else I may be doing, including laundry. For this reason, I decided to get a small Christmas tree for her to decorate all on her own. I found little ornaments for her to decorate the tree. We decided to put the tree right at the base of the stairs where it's the first thing anyone coming to our house would see. Kaya, I cannot wait to watch you grow and see how your interests change and or stay the same. The amount of time that you still want to spend with me gives me all the feels. My greatest hope is that we remain this close forever. I love you. So I just wanted to document that, and instead of putting it in a journal for her, into her scrapbook, I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and put this into my December daily because it is a Christmas memory for me. I am going to go through my papers here, and what I did was I took this cardstock and I did some fussy cutting around gifts and some of these pine needles. Because this is too big of a print to use on the small 6x8, and the back has the stars, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead, I thought about fussy cutting these, but I didn't know how that would work with all of that. It was probably too big of a print. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my layering. So let's go ahead and get this started. This picture, let's see how small it is. I've cut it down to 3 1/4 by 2 1/2. I cut this picture down to 3 1/4 by 2 1/2. So I'm gonna go ahead and start layering. Let's see. One thing I haven't used yet that came with the kit is this doily, which is so cute. It's a square doily. Now I need to make sure I only use one. Okay, so that's just one. I know I want to use this, but how do I do that while still? I may have to let me just leave that there for right now. And I think I want to use this Christmas. Will that fit in there? No. Well, we'll leave this on the side too. So let me go ahead and start layering. I think for this picture, yeah, I'm gonna back it with this. It's my little paper trimmer, because this will fit in there. This is a tonic paper trimmer, guillotine. I love it. So let's go ahead and start with this, and then I want to make sure I get some of this star paper in. I want the star to show, so let me cut this down like this. So there's that color. No, I don't want to do that yet. I'm going to do a little bit of this. And then I'll just use my scissors to cut this one. These are the Tim Holtz 9.5 inch scissors that I love. Cut so well. Okay, so I have that. Then I want to put a little more color up here. I'm just going through the papers that I have here. And of course I'm going to add my pop dots, but I'm wondering if I should have put something more solid. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Let me cut a little bit of this too. I just like tiny bits of the layers to show through. And I'm going to put this on top. And then I just need to figure out how I'm going to adhere this doily down. You know what? This doily is just too big. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, I found a small one. I think that's gonna work. Oh, if I put it there, then it's not gonna, okay, I'm gonna have to have it off the page like that. Okay, let me adhere this down. And then I'm gonna start adhering this down. I'm gonna use my Stampin' Up! Dimensionals to give it some depth. I don't want too much because my December Daily album is already so puffy, but it wouldn't be a layout by me if I didn't have some depth to it. I apologize about my nails. I've been waiting to get them done. I'm waiting for my daughter to sleep in her own bed for 7 nights in a row. And then I promised her I'd take her to the nail salon because she's never been. So she's working towards that. So I've been waiting to do my nails. Because I usually do them myself, but I'm not going to do them if I'm going to go pay to get it done, right? Okay, I want to move this dot a little bit. Struggling. These nails don't help with my picking the adhesive off very well. Okay, we'll leave it like that. I want to add some of these embellishments. Let's see. I guess I should have done that, figured out where I was going to put these first. Let's see, what other die cuts do I have? Oh shoot, I got to put the number 9 in somewhere. Totally forgot about this. Do I want to add a tag? Oh, that'll add some nice dimension there. So let me go ahead and cut that off. And then I need to put some crochet thread in here. Okay, here's some crochet thread that I have. I'm just gonna cut a little bit, put that through here. And I just cut the tag in half because I can use the other half for a layer later on. Okay, do I want to put that 9 there? Well, I didn't think that one through very well, did I? What to do? Maybe I'll add some of these tiny stars. I wonder if I put this, no, too much gold on gold. What if I anchor this number 9 with this? No, that's not gonna work either. Well, I just found this tag that says, oh, Christmas tree. Can I put that somewhere? Will that fit? I'm getting distracted. Ah! That may or may not stay there. I'm trying to figure out how to use this 9. I'm not going to use it. It's too big. So go to plan B. Let me go find a number sticker that'll fit in there. Looking through some of my old Felicity Jane letters, I found these gold numbers. So I think I'm going to do that. How do I want this to work? I think maybe there. Number 9. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm just going to go ahead and commit. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to put this 9 here. Then I'm going to adhere it to there, but let me go ahead and cut this a little bit. I'm going to adhere it lining up with the maroon or the red right there. I'm going to take my tiny attacher and just staple this really quick to give it extra dimension. Let's see if I can do that without ruining my layers. Thank goodness for a repositionable adhesive. That's all I have to say. Okay, so there's the number 9. Now, I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. Ooh, if I do that, I'm gonna get it onto the words. The struggle is real. I decided I don't want this part to show. I want to add some of these stickers, so I'm going to take my Tombow Mono liquid glue, and I'm going to adhere. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Yep, that's how I'm going to do it. And she wants to buy a star for the top of her Christmas tree, so we're going to have to go out and buy a little star. I wonder, do they sell stars, little stars like that, to put on top of a Christmas tree? Oh, I love those stars. And then Okay, change of plans again. I'm taking this label off and I'm gonna put the 9 on a gift. There we go, that's better. Okay, I need more glue. I knew I wanted to incorporate one of the gifts. I want to give it a little ink splatter because it wouldn't really be a page without some ink splatter, right? And I'm going to use the Heidi Swap Color Shine in Black Velvet. I don't want to get it on the crochet thread, so let's try to do this. And then the last thing I want to do is I want to add some Nouveau drops. Okay, I'm adding pale gold. And then I'm just going to lightly tap it to flatten them out a little bit. And there you have my day 9. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below if you're doing any long journaling like this or doing layouts like this, or if you're just doing the pocket pages. I would love to know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm simply Pearl10. Thanks so much and have a great day.